Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add quiz to Shopify. First, all you have to do is go to Jot Forms, so we can create a quiz form that we can add in Shopify. So now log in with your account. Okay, once you're in your account, you have to select your form. So I'm just going to choose a quiz template. Alright, so now let's just set up this. So I'm just going to leave it as default and click on publish. Now on the left hand side, on the bottom side, you can see the platform. Click on there and then scroll down until you see Shopify, right? So copy this code. Now open your Shopify and go to admin. Now all you have to do is add a page. Now you can see the code icon over here. Click the icon and then paste that code which you had copied before, and there you go. Now you have to view your page, and as you can see there is a quiz. So that is how you can add quiz to Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.